it's Deb here with Creative Life. Thanks for joining me today and welcome back to my channel, y'all. So today we're going to start another project using my Crafting World Designs dies. And this one is the Reindeer and Gingerbread Lollipop Holder, you guys. This is going to be so stinking cute. I cannot wait to make these. And I already did some cutting out already of some of the little the dies and the little eyes and bows and all that stuff. So I already did that. We're going to do these up, and we're also going to be doing these pink ones. I think these are going to be so stinking cute. So I've got 5 of them. I did one already, but I'm going to wait to share that with you. But I am going to cut out some more little elements to go with this because I think it would look really cute with some other things, different type of paper on here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Don't forget that when you go over to My Crafting World Designs, that you can use this discount code Debbie10. Okay, so you want to head over to My Crafting World Designs. I'll put the link down below for you, as well as the direct link to the die, and you can purchase that and use my code Debbie10. Okay, and save yourself some money. So and who doesn't like saving money, right? So yes, I'm going to go ahead and cut out some more little elements, and then I will be right back. Okay, so to start, I went ahead and cut out some of these gingerbread men and the reindeers, and then on each pair I went ahead and just went around the edges with my ink. And for the brown that I used Memento Rich Cocoa ink, and it is a really nice brown. I really like it. And so again, I just used that and went around each one of the cutouts with this ink. I really like the richness. It kind of looks like a burnt gingerbread man, but I really like how it looked. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. And you can use any brown if you choose to. You don't even have to use brown. You can use you know, whatever colors you would like to use around your gingerbread man. So the next thing I did is I went ahead and grabbed some chalk that I had in my stash, and I went ahead and made cheeks on the front and the back of each one of these. And I did it for all of the gingerbread man and even the reindeers. So I wanted the eyes and the mouth to show up a little bit better. So what I did is I grabbed a brown colored pencil and I just outlined the eyes and the eyelashes and then did the mouth. And I really felt like this added a little bit more definition to the eyes and the mouth. You could see it a lot better. Next, we're going to go ahead and put these together. So next, you want to go ahead and fold those tabs over, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and place glue on the bottom tab, or one of the bottom tabs, and then you're just going to place that other tab on top of there. And that's how you're going to hook these two pieces together. The next thing I did is I went ahead and just kind of decorated my gingerbread man with the little frosting that goes around the feet and the hands, and I'm using silver glitter paper here. So I went ahead and cut out a bunch of different colors. I think I cut out some pink glitter paper, and then I did like matte, just regular cardstock, pink, and I think I cut out blue too, and I can't remember. Now I did go ahead and I placed these little, you know, frosting pieces. I call them frosting pieces, but you know, I don't know, the little hands and the feet pieces on both sides of the little cutouts, so that way they kind of match. Next, I grabbed a little bow and for her head, and I put that right on the side there. I thought that looked super cute. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And here I'm just going to go ahead and place the little feet and hand frosting pieces right on top of the little gingerbread gal. now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the lollipop, and you're just going to place that stick through the hole at the bottom, and then you're just going to go ahead and wiggle that down. I wiggled mine, had to wiggle mine down because the little papers at the bottom of the lollipop wouldn't go through, so I had to wiggle it through. And then you're just going to go ahead, and I glued my arms or my hands together on both sides, and then I also glued the top of the head together. So I just felt like the lollipop was more secure that way, and I think it was really super cute. So yeah, so then, and then on the other side I went ahead and added that little bow on the other side as well, so that way it looks the same. I really think that these turned out so stinking cute, and I cannot wait to give them to my granddaughters for Christmas. So now we're going to go ahead and do the reindeer. And for the reindeer, again, I went ahead and used the Memento Rich Cocoa to ink around the edges of the die cut. And then I went ahead and went darker around the antlers, of course. But we are going to use something really fun on the antlers that I love using, and I hope that you enjoy it too. Okay, so for this part we're going to use some Fun Flock, and this color is brown, and if you've never used Fun Flock, I absolutely love it. It's like that velvety kind of feeling that you feel on, like if they put it on cards for like little cats or dogs or something, and it's like that little furry feeling stuff, and I just absolutely love using this stuff. So this is what I used for the antlers on most of my deers. I think I think I did one deer without it, and the rest of the deers had this little Fun Flock on top of their little antlers. I think it made them look so stinking cute, and it just adds that little velvety feel to the antlers. And so yeah, so that is what I put on top of the antlers there. And I'm not sure, like, I've had this Fun Flock in my stash forever, so I'm not sure where you get it anymore. I can't remember even where I got this one because it's been in my stash for so long, but I'm just now running out after I've had it for a long time. I'm talking many years. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and place the ears and the eyes on the little reindeer here, and they come in separate pieces, and so I went ahead and just placed the ears and the eyes on top of each of the reindeer heads. So I already glued on one set, and next I'm gluing on the other set. And here next we're going to go ahead and we're going to just attach these two pieces together. Now, like I said before, I did go ahead and I do whatever I do to one of the pair of reindeer or gingerbread men, I do to the back side of the other one. So again, you're just going to place your little lollipop right in the center there, and then what I did is I glued the little antlers together, and then I also glued the ears together, and that helped stabilize my little lollipop in the little reindeer. So I just glued one ear and then the other ear, and then I went ahead and glued a couple of the antlers together, just like I'm doing here. And then you want to do the other one, the same thing. So it just really helps stabilize that little lollipop right in the center. And then we're done. And then the other thing that I did is I went ahead and added some of the gel pen to his eyes, so you know, you could have like little white eyes that are just shiny and bright. So I went ahead and did that, and then I went ahead and added some little rosy cheeks with some of the chalk that I had on hand, and voila, we're done. So that is it, you guys. Okay, everybody, I went ahead and finished all of the lollipop holders, and they turned out so cute. I hope that you guys like these. Again, we used this reindeer and gingerbread lollipop holder, and here is the little reindeer. You have the eyes and the little ear inserts. And then I went ahead and just packaged the rest of my little little elements for the little decorations on the gingerbread guy and the reindeer. But here is the gingerbread guy, and then here is all the little bow and the little frosting for his arms and legs. And so, and then I guess the little nose. I didn't use that part on anything. So I don't really know. I don't know if that, maybe that's his eye, but I didn't use the eye. I just, you'll see in a minute how I did mine. So anyway, so let me go ahead and bring these out. I did several different ones because I have 5 granddaughters. Okay, so I don't have any boys, but I did make some reindeer boys. And so, and then I do have a couple that I did that don't have anything in them yet. So this one is a little gingerbread boy. He has a little pink on his bow tie, but that's okay. And he has like little rosy cheeks. So that's exactly what they kind of look like. I did the front and the back. And then here is the reindeer. And the little reindeer, for their antlers, I used what is called Fun Flock. And I used Fun Flock and the brown. Okay. And so, and then since I had a little gingerbread guy thing, frosting, I just decided to use that at the bottom as a decoration. I just did their little eyes and little cheeks. I did cheeks with some chalk that I had in my stash. And then the ears, little eyes. So cute. So cute. These turned out super cute. So here is a couple of the little gingerbread girls that I did. And again, I did their little cheeks in some chalk that I had. And then for their eyes and their mouth, I just used a brown pencil, you know, just a brown colored pencil, and just went over the little creases, like it's kind of like a score line. And so I just went ahead and went over those with the little brown colored pencil. And then for the little frostings, I did different types. I did some silver, some pink, and then I glitter paper. And then I did plain paper on some. So they just look the same on the front and the back. And then same thing with these. On this one, I used little, on his antlers, I used the Fun Flock. And then here, I didn't use any Fun Flock on it. I just left it brown. Super cute, right? Oh my gosh, these turned out so stinking cute. So there's those. And then here is the last pair. And here, again, I used the little Fun Flock for his antlers. His little ears are pink, and some little glitter paper for his bow, or for her bow, I should say. Glitter paper on this one. The glitter paper is different, pink and silver. And then I did little glitter for the frosting on the little gingerbread man. And his eye is coming out. I don't know what's going on there. So I think these turned out super, super cute. I just love the Fun Flock on the antlers. I think it looks so stinking cute, right? I just think it really adds, you know, it makes it look like their antlers. So, and then these ones here, so cute. Oh my gosh, just absolutely love how these turned out. So these are the Lollipop Holders. Again, you can use my code Debbie10 when you head over to the store to pick up this little lollipop holder. So sticky cute for Christmas. And what great little gifts that you can give, like your office personnel or friends, you know, if you're doing like a little goodie bag for friends or for your grandkids or your kids. These are super cute. I think they turned out super cute. So thank you guys so much for joining me tonight, and I hope that you guys had a great time watching the video. Thanks again. I have all the links for you down below and at the end of the video. So take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks again for joining me, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to go over to My Crafting World Designs to visit Anna's store. Thank you all so much for joining me. Take care and have a great day.